We're all aware of the power of a well-designed logo. Logos may appear simple, yet they may symbolize all of the benefits your product has to offer. As a result, designers pay extra attention to producing the picture you want to use. Even though it appears to be simple at times, it nearly never is. It is not enough to have a fantastic logo concept, you must also utilize the best tools to create it. Not all logo designers use the same procedure while creating a logo. Many of them have a distinct method for creating and realizing their ideas. Some designers like to begin with a sketch and draw logos on a piece of paper, which they can then transfer to a computer and continue digitizing. The final step in the procedure is to select the appropriate program for creating the ideal logo. AI technology can be pretty helpful in this area. AI in logo designing is an ideal choice if you want to come up with a distinctive logo concept and improve your abilities. AI in logo designing. It is critical to understand every step of the design process to create a strong brand identity. Legibility is an essential feature of a well-designed logo. By rejecting widely used pictures, symbols, typefaces, and color schemes, AI can create unique logos. When creativity wanes yet the task must be completed, artificial intelligence design can assist you in performing at your best, no matter what. The majority of design professions nowadays demand both creative and social intelligence. Designers are compelled to learn new skills to remain competitive in the employment market. Working with AI raises employment expectations, forcing you to hone your empathy, problem solving, problem framing, negotiating, and persuasive abilities. In the ever-changing technological environment, more and more designers will require more knowledge and experience. The first step in designing a logo for your new business or project is determining which design process best suits your budget, timing, and creative requirements. With the rise of artificial intelligence in many technology fields, a new generation of graphic design has emerged, making it a viable alternative for bootstrapped entrepreneurs and companies. An AI-powered logo builder is a quick approach to look professional and engaging to your intended audience is an alternate to DIY logo design, time-consuming, or hiring a professional, expensive. Why should designers use AI in logo designing? Here are 5 compelling reasons to employ AI in logo designing. AI-powered logo maker takes less time. Don't want to waste weeks working with a designer on logo concepts? Are you too busy to spend hours attempting to learn how to utilize design software such as Illustrator or Photoshop? With no design experience required, an AI-powered logo maker can produce a designer-quality image in minutes. That's right, in less than an hour, you may have the logo of your dreams ready to share with the world. AI gives you control. Why entrust one of your most valuable assets, your brand image and identity, to someone else? With an online logo creator, you get to be a part of the entire creative process, giving feedback along the way. In addition, unlike other online logo generators or templates, an AI-powered generator would never copy your design, providing you peace of mind that no other company will have the same logo. AI works smartly. An AI-powered logo creator leverages algorithms and collected information from millions of users to identify the best logo alternatives based on your design preferences and inspiration. A logo builder can produce stunning brand concepts and logo mock-ups that will appeal to both you and your intended audience by delegating research and design choices to machine learning. AI is inexpensive. It's okay if you don't want to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars on a graphic designer. You may get a high-quality logo for a fraction of the cost by using an AI-powered logo creator. It'll also provide you with all of the formats you'll need to establish your brand across channels, including vector files like EPS, SVG, and PDF. The best part is that you can test it out before you buy it. AI-powered tools are fun to work. It might sometimes be tough to communicate what you want. You frequently have to discuss what you want or get on the same page with what a human designer wants to achieve while working with them. You may create logo modifications on your own and see how your ideas appear in multiple settings, such as business cards, t-shirts, and more, using an AI-powered logo creator. Conclusion. This new technique of enhancing our creativity and broadening our skill set has an attractive vibe to it. Artificial intelligence software isn't simply a fantastic tool for improving professional outcomes, it also helps us grow and motivates us to push our boundaries even further. You may see things from several angles and frames, and you can continually push yourself to find new methods to improve your design work. Choose to work in the most sophisticated design systems, and you'll be the best. Many tools have been developed solely to make your job simpler. Humans and robots may do incredible things when they work together, but keep in mind that neither could achieve the same outcome if they worked alone. If you are looking for AI-built tools for building your company, Onpassive's AI products are ideal for you. To know more about it, contact us. A Bill Must Production.